Wow. Yep. Oh. How does it feel?
It's good.
He's looking at Renata. Now, she's been adjusted before, okay? When was the last time you got adjusted?
Probably like a few years ago.
Okay, a few years ago. So she's had a shoulder surgery right there. I know we're not supposed to show it because then she gets, but she's had a shoulder surgery. She's got a little slight scoliosis. So it affects her spine. It's going to be compressive forces in her spinal nervous system. How we sit, stand, lift, bend, and sleep. Your posture habits, they're horrible. But you're not nervous.
No.
She's not nervous. But she's still looking at me like something.
I'm excited.
She's excited. Okay, even better. Are you ready? Let's do it. You're gonna lie face down right here, right there, and put your hands on those black bars in front of you.
Okay.
Black bars. See all this tension. Oh, you're tight. All through here. This whole thing right here is very tight.
I got to watch this one first.
You have to watch it live, right? I'm gonna charge you $10 a ticket to watch. She needs some. Too funny. So that's the tension. All of this tension up here. You get little headaches, hard to sleep because your brain is under tension. You don't sleep correctly. You got too much pressure. When you have that pressure, you can't sleep right. It doesn't work. It won't work for you. Yeah. Oh. All this left side especially. Good. Turn to this side, face me. You're gonna lie on your left side, bring your left arm all the way through. Right
Like
here.
this?
Yep. And then put your head back, relax. Right here and here. Bring this up right here. Bring this up right here. And come to me. I gotcha. You're not gonna fall. Wait. Bring that a little right there. Come towards me a little bit. Right here. Wait. Right there. I gotcha. Oh. Whoa. That's a lot of tension in your spine. Again, little curved scoliosis, so it's going to bring more tension. Other side. Oh my God. Doesn't work. Then your spinal nervous system doesn't work right. Slide towards me a little bit. Then your brain doesn't work right. Look at that already. Boom. All that tension, because you down on the phone all day long, like that. Face buried in the phone. Let's stand up. You're gonna put your back up against that wall right here. Ah. Okay. Right there. That'll be good. Now, go right here. Watch right here. Right here. Tuck that chin. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Oh. That was part of my hand, your back. Drop your arms, relax a second. Go, put your head all the way back. Breathe deep. Again, when you're looking down at your phone, looking at the computer, your shoulders, clavicles, sternum and ribs, diaphragm, all get compressed and tight. Then you don't breathe correctly. When you sit, you keep sitting crushed. That's not good. Then you're gonna get that old lady thing. You want that? Throw your phone away. Throw your phone in the garbage. Now you're gonna sit right here.
Okay.
Right there. Now we're gonna get that neck.
Oh yeah, the neck is good.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, just put your feet flat on the floor. Perfect. Hang your arms all the way over to the sides. Gotta get that base of that skull gets compressed on your first cervical vertebrae. It gets tight, especially again, looking down at the phone. It slides forward, it gets tight and compressed. We can't have that. No good. Drop the shoulder right here. Nice and relaxed. Let it go. Ooh. Good? Drop that head back right there. Oh, wow. Yep. Oh. How does it feel?
It's good.
He's looking to run out of here.
It feels good.
Good. Drop this shoulder right there. Put that head right. Yep. Right. Yeah. Oh. Good. Drop that head back right there. Oh. Oh. Excuse me. You're gonna come right on your back, face up. I'm gonna grab that mic. On your back, face up. Give me your hands. Let's stretch. It's wide strap time. Keep breathing. Oh, there goes my mic. Well, I'm gonna hook it up somewhere. Right there. Keep your hands right there and relax. I'm gonna have to put it there. You're gonna lift up that head. The more relaxed you are, the better. You're just gonna keep your teeth together, closed. Right down the midline. Take a deep breath in. Blow it all the way out. Keep
Okay.
Now, we gotta finish it. Get the ankles. Get the ankles, everything. Decompress the whole spine. It's the whole system needs to be decompressed, not just one part. Good. Good. Let's stand up. Come stand back over here. Alrighty, how do you feel right now?
I feel like I can move.
She can move. She's loose. She's ready to go. She's loose. She wants to go dancing. She wants to go hanging out. She wants to go singing. She wants to go do her thing, right?
Yeah.
That's good. She's going to have some real good content coming because now she's all loose and ready to go. But that's what adjustments do. They take pressure, tension, and stress off your spinal nervous system. So you move better, feel better, and live better. Never be afraid to get adjusted because that's what an adjustment does. If anybody tells you any different, they're lying to you. Okay? Exactly. Period. Boom. Yeah, I can turn off. That was good.